One of the most challenging things about doing an online course is staying on schedule. It's really difficult to have a schedule that you want to plan out and not be showing up for class every day and a teacher in front of you kind of asking you about where you're at and stuff like that. It takes a real level of responsibility to be able to do this. And so any little trick that you can use in order to stay on schedule, working with a calendar, whatever, definitely make use of it. One of the things that we have in our course now is the ability to set your schedule using a little tool here. And I'm going to show you how to do this. And this is a requirement to set your schedule within this course, so both you and your teacher can keep track of exactly where you're at and where you should be and all those types of things. It will help you. So what you want to do is within your course, come up here and find the Pacing and Progress tool. And you click on that. And now the default start day is today's date. Now, if you've already started and gotten a few things done within the course, you can set this back to when you started the course. If you're starting the course right now, then just leave the default as today's date. Now, the course end date, this is where you realistically want to end the course. Looking ahead, maybe you have to finish it in a semester. Maybe there's a deadline for when the course closes. Those kind of things you have to keep in mind, but then also your goal itself. So, you want to set this up. Maybe you're looking at finishing in March, and so you can hit continue, and it'll create a schedule for you. So your teacher has already laid out the parameters of all of the different things that you submit in this course. And that's what's used in order to, along with your start and end date, lay out a schedule for you. So here's your suggested submission dates for the first quiz based on the dates that we entered. And all of that information, as you complete things, you'll see that it'll start filling this in. The submission date there, and then days off pace. If you're a little behind, it'll tell you that. It'll also record the grade there. And so a nice little summary up here allows us, both the teacher and the students, to kind of know where you're at in the course, relative to your goals. When you go back to the homepage of your course, one thing you'll note is right at the bottom here is a Pacing and Progress widget. And you can see that as you complete things, they'll be little green. The circle will be divvied up like a pie graph, and it's going to let you know how much you've completed. If you get behind, a little bit off pace will be in orange, and so on. So basically, that's your tool to help you stay on schedule. And it's also a tool so that your teacher can nag you in a very caring way, keep you moving so that you actually are successful in the course. So yes, get that done. And then as soon as you're done that, then getting rolling into the course and you now have a schedule, time to live up to it.